Some of my customers are curious about what OEM and SA mean. These are names for two among many keycap profiles. Keycap profiles refer to the distinct shapes and heights of keycaps on a keyboard, influencing both the aesthetics and the typing experience. Various keycap profiles cater to different preferences, offering unique advantages and characteristics. What I'm holding in my hand is an example of an OEM profile. OEM or original equipment manufacturer profile, on the other hand, is more common and often found in keyboards from major manufacturers. This profile has a lower profile than SA and is typically described as a U-shaped, with a curved top and a flat bottom. This can result in a lighter typing feel and is suitable for users who type at a faster pace. We will talk about SA profiles in the next video.